Senior State Attorney. Your Worship, this matter was called earlier, but unfortunately, A1 was not yet in court. And now that he's here, I beg that we proceed. Your Worship, I also pray that the PW be vacated. I pray that the PW be vacated. Much obliged. Your Worship, we are seeking the leave of this Honorable Court to amend the charge sheet and the introduction in regard to A1 that the amendment in regard to A1 that we're introducing is the name of the road. Initially, we pray that the amended charge sheet be read out to him.
Previous reports.
Your Worship, previously it was Chira Road. And now it's we pray that the amended charge sheet.
Zone, Kiram Municipality of Recent District. Accused number 2 is attempted promise, female adult, age 19 years, Munyakore by tribe, age 19 years, personal assistant to Honorable Yona Musinguzi, resident of Burino, Kiram Municipality of Recent District. Count 1, the statement of offense rates aggravated trafficking in children. Contra sections 2, subsection 1A and 4, subsection A of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act NASA, an attempted promise between the 3rd May 2024 and the 27th May 2024 between Acacia Avenue, Tagore Living Apartments along Kayunga Road in Kampala District and Chito Zone, Kira Municipality, Wakiso District, recruited or received or transported or harbored Namanya Nicole, a girl aged 16 years, by means of fraud or of abuse of power or of a person or of a position of vulnerability for the purpose of sexual exploitation. Defilement contra section 116 of subsection 1 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars read: Ebya Don Nasser, alias Don, May 2024, between Tagore Living Apartments along Kayunga Road, Kampala District and Chito Zone, Kira Municipality, Wakiso District, performed sexual act with Namanya Nicole, a girl below the age of 18 years. Count 3, the statement of offense is procuring defilement contra section 12020, subsection 1A.
Inquiries into this matter are complete. Inquiries into this matter are complete. We pray that the accused person we pray that the accused person is committed to the High Court for trial. Your Worship, we seek the leave of this Honorable Court to tender the indictment and summary of the case and pray that the same be read out for him and that he's also availed a copy.
Attested promise are indicted for the following offences. Count 1. Statement of offences: aggravated trafficking in children, contrary sections 2 subsections of this offence read that Ebya Don Nasser alias Don Nasser and attested promise between the 3rd day of May 2024 and the 27th May 2024 between Acacia Avenue, Tagore Living Apartments along Kayunga Road in Kampala District and Chitol Zone, Chira, Municipality, Wakisa District, recruited or received or transported or harbored Namanya Nicole, a girl aged 16 years, by means of fraud or of abuse of power or of a position of vulnerability for the purpose of sexual exploitation. Count 2 is of defilement contrary section 116 subsection 1 of the penal and 27th May 2024 between Tagore Living Apartments along Kayunga Road in Kampala District and Chitol Zone, Chira Municipality, Wakisa District, performed the sexual act with Namanya Nicole, a girl below the age of 18 years. Count 3, the statement of offences procuring defilement contrary to sections 120 of subsection 1A of the Penal Code Act Cap 128. The particulars read: attested promise on the 3rd, she was not forthcoming. That a preliminary investigation revealed that on the fateful night, when the victim escaped from home, she was lured away by a person called Promise, who was using telephone number 92. On the night that the victim escaped from home, A2 also used Snapchat, a social media application, to communicate with her. To know her whereabouts the previous night, but she had no clear explanation. The victim was taken to Taiwan Jala in Kiramu Municipality, where she started she was unacquainted and asked her about their relationship with the victim. That A2 first lied to Akakosa Prosper that the victim was murdered by A1 in his rented apartment. A1 had unprotected sexual intercourse performed a sexual act with the victim, and thereafter she left the apartment. The guest register book of Tagore Living Apartments was retrieved and it shall be relied on and tendered at the trial. On the 27th May 2024, the victim went back to A1's home in Chira. She phoned him and he told her to wait from his bedroom. He, A1, took weed, marijuana, and gave some to the victim. A1 also kissed the victim and gave her Ghana shillings 100,000 and US dollars 100. The victim left because men were calling A1 and asking him the whereabouts of the victim. That the matter was reported to Kira Road Police Station and an investigation was commenced. The victim reiterated the story that she had earlier told the father and auntie. That A2 was arrested and upon interrogation, she admitted being friends to both A1 and the victim. She also admitted calling the victim to Auraba and hooking her up with A1. A2 at a promise also admitted the fact that she went with both A1 and the victim to Tagore Living Apartments. A2 further told the police that she left the victim at Tagore Living Apartments with A1. That the investigation revealed that the sole purpose for which A2 recruited and introduced the victim to A1, Don Nasser, was for sexual exploitation. A2, at a promise, was fully aware that the victim was being sexually exploited by A1. That an attempt was made to arrest A1 from his home, but on realizing that police had gone to his home, He escaped and ran away using the second gate that is behind his house. The investigation revealed that Mr. Nasser instructed his home guards to obstruct the police officers from accessing his house. The guards complied, and by the time the police officers accessed A1's premise, he had already left. That the investigation also revealed that A1 Nasser ran and crossed to Kenya with Shena through an ungazetted porous border points. The request for the travel history of Nasser, travel history from immigration and passports of the two mentioned people shall be relied on and tendered at the trial. That following Nasser's, the presence of his lawyer, the following items were recovered from A1's house: for removing smell from cigarettes, camera, 83 compact discs with the pornography videos, movies, raw purest natural fibers, paper, black sealed caveras, bottle containing alcohol, a copy of the search certificate dated 20th June, that on the 21st, 2024, A1 Nasser from Malaba, Uganda passed as they were trying to sneak into the country. That following the arrest of A1, a search was conducted. Passport in the name of Kamuhogo Shena, application documents for passport by Kamuhogo Shena, scan report for Kamuhogo 800, only, handwritten notebook with love notes in black ink and an iPhone black in color, memory card, one Apple, 7 series, silver in color, were taken and a scene of crime report was prepared. The photos and the scene of crime report shall be relied on and tendered at the trial. 17A for forensic examination. The PF 17A applications, court order and digital forensic examination reports victim were in constant communication. The various social media platforms like one who called the victim to our bar on the 3rd May 2024 and persuaded her to hook up with A1. Arrest of A1 0781 96 73 75 076 076.
Your Worship, we pray that the accused person, after having understood the content of the indictment and summary of the case, be committed to the High Court for his eventual trial. So, Your Worship, we are ready to avail a copy to him personally. Your Worship, I think answers appeared on the record.
So you want answers?
By Burundi Kaiser. By Burundi Kaiser. So Your Worship, it is unfortunate. It's unfortunate that court had adjourned the matter to 2nd December, in the manner in which the file was brought back.
The committee papers were ready, so we had to commit. There was nothing impeding the committee. The committee comes in.
The state had informed the court of the asset. So,
What the state had what? What the state had what?
the state had informed the court at the time when we came.
Motion for
You're ready, Your Worship.
Criminal case number 1133 of President Okiro Tony Blair.